So cute. You're silly. You're silly boy. Look at your silly tail. I didn't teach him to do that. He came with that option. I guess that wasn't an option. Special feature, maybe. Here's Screwball. When he's exploring, he'll wag the whole tail back and forth like this, like a dog. It's really interesting. You're so cute. You're so cute, Darian. Darian.